Hello children, I'm back. Today in multiplication we will learn properties of multiplication. Now in this we will learn three properties of multiplication. In the first property of multiplication, that is identity property, we will see that the product of any number and 1 is the same number. For example, 4 multiplied by 1 will give you 4. If you multiply 7 by 1, your answer will be 7. The second property is zero property. In this property, the product of any number and 0 will be 0. For example, 9 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. In the third property, that is commutative property, we will see that the product of any two numbers remain the same even if their order is changed. That means if you interchange the numbers, your answer will remain the same. For example, 2 multiplied by 4 will give you 8. Now, if you interchange 2 and 4, that means if you write 4 multiplied by 2, your answer will still be the same, 8. So, even if the numbers are interchanged, their product is the same. Multiplication, we have multiplicand, which is multiplied by the multiplier, which gives you the result, which is the product. Now here, if you see, you have 6 multiplied by 5, which gives you 30. Here, the multiplicand means the number to be multiplied. Multiplier means the number by which it is multiplied. And the product is the answer or the result. So 6 multiplied by 5, here the product is 30. Just a few more sums. Here we have 8 diyas one time. That means 8 times 1. So when we write it, it is 1 8 8. In another example, if we see, we will have 10 apples in one box. That means 1 time 10. When we write 10 ones are, it gives you 10. Children, this is the identity property that we learned. Any number which is multiplied by 1 gives you that same number. Now take a look at these pots. They are empty, no flowers. They are 6 pots. That means 0 6 times. When we multiply, we write it as 0 multiplied by 6, which gives you 0. In another picture, we will see that there are 3 plates and they are all empty. Nothing in it. Here we have stating 0 laddus in 3 plates. How many laddus, children? 0. And how many plates? 3. Correct. That means 3 multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So this was the second property of multiplication that we learned. That is zero property. So you see, any number that is multiplied by 0 gives you 0 as its product. We have 7 clocks in a row taken twice. That means 7 twos are, which gives you 14. Now let us interchange the numbers, and we have 2 multiplied by 7. 2 taken 7 times. So if we take 2 multiplied by 7, that also gives you 14. This was the commutative property of multiplication. That is, whenever the numbers are interchanged, the product remains the same. That means the multiplicand and the multiplier, when they are interchanged, the product is the same. Children, remember this commutative property applies only for multiplication and addition. Addition, why? Because if you add 2 plus 3, it will give you 5 as your answer. Similarly, if you add 3 plus 2, also it will give you the answer as 5. So whenever you interchange the numbers and your answer is the same, that means that is the commutative property. Wasn't that fun, children, to learn all these properties? I'm sure yes. Now, keep in mind you do not have to learn these terms of properties. They're just for your information. Relax and go through the video once again if you like it. Thank you very much. See you next time with yet another amazing lesson for you. Thank you, children. Bye bye.